Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker creamed corn. The ingredients that we're going to need today are milk, canned corn, ground black pepper, sugar, cream cheese, and unsalted butter. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. You want 3 15.25 ounce cans of whole kernel corn drained, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. You also want 1/2 cup of thinly sliced unsalted butter and 8 ounces of your cream cheese, and you want to cut that into cubes. Okay guys, in our slow cooker, we're going to go ahead and add our corn. Now we're going to go ahead and add our cup of milk, our tablespoon of sugar, and also our ground black pepper. Now all you want to do is mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to go ahead and top it with our cream cheese. Once you have all your cream cheese in, we're going to go ahead and place our butter on top also. Once you have your butter on top, you don't want to mix anything. You want to leave it just like it is. We're going to go ahead and put our lid on. Okay guys, now we're going to set our slow cooker on high for 2.5 hours. Okay guys, after 2.5 hours, we're going to uncover it. Now all you're going to do is mix until all the cream cheese and the butter is well combined and melted. Okay guys, now I'm going to place my lid back on and we're going to let it cook for 15 more minutes. Okay guys, so our cream corn is now done. All I did was add a little bit more ground black pepper to it and also parsley flakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.